even before AI became a buzzword, even before, I'm sure organizations, big banks, etc., would be ensuring that the quality of data is high. So what I'm struggling to understand as I was reading all these blogs, that what is the delta? What is the change now? What will change now for your data to be AI ready from a data quality standpoint?
That's a very, very good question. That's where the data governance and AI readiness will kind of come into the place. So when I say data governance means, again, you are ensuring the same thing. The data is high quality, data is,
Mm-hmm.
that we know the source, data is well curated, right? And when we are saying AI readiness, we are saying the same concept. But the difference between them is when we talk about data governance, we are talking about the data which goes to regulators. Like, for example, if you are a bank, you are submitting some report to your FDIC, right? You are submitting some report to your IRS, right? So when you are submitting information to regulators, they want to make sure that the data which you report to them is 100% accurate, right? A bank cannot say I have a $5 billion liquidity, but actually it's 4.8 billion. It cannot be. Otherwise, you will be penalized for it. So for that, you have to. But there are a lot of parameters for every kind of thing, and that's why you have to collect the data with the high quality of it. So the framework you have to apply on a most critical data, which is start from regulations, start from the CFO reports, etc. While when you do AI readiness, it start from the use cases. What use case you think that AI can optimize for you
Okay.
first,
Okay.
right? And that is again the visionary approach have to come. Like, for example, if I think that for bank the fraud detection is the first use case, then you have to identify the key critical data element is needed for fraud data analysis, fraud detection analysis, and let's do the cleanup in that data. Because of course we want to create all the data need to be high quality. Like, we want to do it, but we have limited resources, and where to put those resources is the key, right? And making the high data quality is not a like, okay, you put the button and that data become high quality. It's a processes need to be implemented to collect the high quality data. The processes need to be implemented to make sure the data remains good, as well as the source, so know the source of the data. All these framework you have to apply it, but the where do you apply the framework is the key. The AI readiness is all about use cases. Predict what use case you think is you can solve it, and for the data you will need underlying data. Make sure that is high quality, free from biases.